Hi, my name is Mark. I just had spinal surgery with Dr. Leckie at Plymouth Orthopedics. So I started having pain about 10-15 years back. It was pretty bad. I'd go to work, I'd come home, and I'd just sit in a chair. I had no life. So three times during that 10-year period, I went to the hospital and I complained about the pain, and they told me that it was kidney stones. Because at once, a long time ago, I had one kidney stone and I changed my diet and didn't have them anymore. But they kept telling me that I had kidney stones. I had some complications from diabetes, and I went to the hospital and I was talking to a doctor, and once all this was cleared up about the diabetes, they thought, the pain should have been gone. And when the pain wasn't gone, he recommended an MRI. He said that I had some really bad spinal problems, and he recommended Dr. Leckie out of Duxbury. So I made an appointment with Dr. Leckie, and I went to his office, and he told me, he showed me and explained the MRI to me. And I was pretty taken back, devastated. He said I was 6 months to a year away from being in a wheelchair that I wouldn't get out of. He explained it very carefully to me. I had a lot of questions. He answered them all. I noticed that he wasn't a real old guy, but he was very passionate and knew a lot. He took his time with me, and I knew the pain that I was in, so we scheduled surgery right away. I wasn't going to wait. I wanted the pain to be gone. I've been involved with boats since I was a little kid. As soon as I got out of the Marine Corps, I went to work with them. I've had a real passion for doing boats, and I really like the fiberglass and structural and cosmetic and the fabrication part of it. I mean, I've done a lot of great work on the things, but it involves a lot of climbing, staging, climbing down inside the boats and villages, and it was getting really tough before the surgery. I wasn't doing as good as I should have been. I knew that I was kind of on the way out. Wasn't feeling good about that. I was thinking that my life was pretty much over. I'm on the way out. 60 was a good run. Shouldn't complain. But and I was in a lot of pain. And I dragged myself up in the morning. I was missing days. It was brutal. After the surgery, I've been back to work now for 3 weeks. I know it's just starting, but I'm able to do things. I'm able to pick up and hug my grandkids. I'm able to climb inside these boats. I'm able to climb a ladder. I couldn't do that for a long time. It's made a tremendous difference, this back surgery. The pain that I've had for 10-15 years is gone. It's just gone. It's not even, not even a hint of it. It's definitely worth the time to have the surgery done, to go through the physical therapy, and you get your life back. You get back 10-15 years.